Gluten-free. It's a term we hear a lot these days. But what exactly does it mean? And why is it important? Let's start with gluten. Gluten is a protein found in grains like wheat, barley, and rye. It's what gives dough its elasticity, and it's used in many different food products. But for some people, gluten can be a problem. Those with celiac disease, for example, have an autoimmune disorder that causes their body to react negatively to gluten. Others may have a gluten sensitivity or intolerance, which can cause digestive issues and other health problems. So what does it mean to be gluten-free? A gluten-free diet means avoiding all foods that contain gluten. This includes things like bread, pasta, and cereals made from wheat, barley, or rye. But there are still plenty of foods that are naturally gluten-free, like fruits, vegetables, and most meats. There are also many gluten-free products available now, but they can be more expensive and often have a different taste and texture than their gluten-containing counterparts. Eating out can also be a challenge, as many restaurants may not have gluten-free options on the menu. But for those who need to be gluten-free, the benefits can be significant. Improved digestion, increased energy levels, and clearer skin are just a few of the possible benefits. So whether you're gluten-free out of necessity or by choice, it's important to understand what it means and how to navigate the challenges that come with it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to talk to a doctor or nutritionist before making any major dietary changes.